Hello everyone, welcome to AutoMechanics channel again. I'm happy to introduce you more our products. And when you drive, it's easy to hear pavement noise. And sometimes when you drive in rainy days, and the rainwater easy to get into your car. Also sometimes when you drive, some dust even get into your car. So all this bring you so much trouble. And how to stop it? So from today, I'm happy to introduce you a series of products. And look at them. We call this product car door rubber seal strip product. And today I'm going to show you the serial number is C40162. Let's open it and have a look. Okay, it's a long strip. You know, it's made of EPDM rubber material. It's very soft, you see, soft and toughness, and a little bit elasticity, and with good quality. And if you cut it, you will see a D shape. So we call it a D shape designed product, and it's hollow inside. Give you a quite good buffer. And when you close your door, you even feel, you know, its thickness. And when you have it, you will see it's in friendly design, environmentally safe, non-toxic, and it's safe to use. And when you touch it, give you a quite good feeling. And this, especially, there is good quality adhesive tape on the back of this product, and when you need to use it, you feel it. It's very strong and not easy to drop off. And after you install it, you'll find your car is so quiet, and know it's waterproof, dustproof, and soundproof. You will find a good sealing effect and no sound noise getting into your car, and give you a good driving experience. And we'll show you outdoors to show you how to store this and how it works, and send you a good effect, a look. And it's easy to install. First, you need to wipe the position, the car door edge, and clean it, and put this and remove the adhesive tape here and paste it. And we always provide longer than what you need, so you need to cut off the extra part after installation. Hello, we're in the car now. We'll show you how to install this B-pillar car seal strip. Okay, first let's clean the car edge. First, use the wet tissue. Okay, then use the dry tissue to clean it again, and make sure it's dry and clean. Okay, open it and see here, and let's remove the adhesive tape. Okay, and press it and make sure it can attach to the edge firmly, so it looks nice. Okay, the second one, starting from here. Okay, and put this through here. Okay, put it inside. Okay, look, the whole picture is like this. Yeah, please have a look at the whole picture. And maybe I couldn't do it well here, but I'm sure you can do it perfectly, better than me. So let's close the door to see it. See, it doesn't impact the door closing and looks better. So this one is, better improve the sound insulation, and it's waterproof, dustproof, and rain and noise proof. So it's a nice product, and please choose one for your car. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my video and find my introduction helpful, useful, please send me a thumb up and give me more support. And follow our channel, and we'll introduce more good products to you. Thank you.